Hello. In this video we will see classification of bipolar disorders and questions regarding them. So, drugs for mania or manic depressive disorders are also called as bipolar disorders. There are three classes of drugs used for the treatment of bipolar disorders, that is lithium carbonate, anticonvulsants and atypical antipsychotics. Carbamazepine, sodium valproate, lamotrigine, and topiramate are anticonvulsant bipolar disorder treating drugs. Olanzapine, risperidone, aripiprazole, and quetiapine are atypical antipsychotics which are used to treat bipolar disorders. Now we'll see the questions. For therapeutic effect in manic depressive illness, steady state serum lithium concentration should be maintained between 0.5 to 0.8 milliequivalent per liter. Psychotropic drug. Lithium carbonate is a psychotropic drug having a narrow safety of margin. Renal excretion of lithium is reduced by hydrochlorothiazide, furosemide, and indomethacin. The following drug can be used as an alternative to lithium in mania and bipolar illness, that is carbamazepine, which is anticonvulsant. The constellation of side effects consisting of thirst, polyuria, looseness of stool, and fine tremors is characteristically associated with the following psychotropic drug, that is lithium carbonate. Prolonged lithium therapy can cause goiter. So, goiter is also called as enlarged thyroid. It is abnormal enlargement of the butterfly shaped gland below the Adam's apple, that is thyroid. A goiter commonly develops as a result of iodine deficiency or inflammation of the thyroid gland. Not all goiters cause symptoms. Symptoms that do occur might include swelling and coughing. Rarely, symptoms may include throat tightness and trouble breathing. A small goiter that doesn't cause symptoms may not need treatment. In some cases, medication or surgery is required. Drugs effective in bipolar illness include the following, that is lamotrigine, sodium valproate, and olanzapine. Olanzapine is atypical antipsychotic and sodium valproate is anticonvulsant. So, lithium. It controls mania but takes 1 to 2 weeks to produce the effect. It has prophylactic effect in recurrent unipolar depression, and it can be combined with tricyclic antidepressant for refractory cases of major depression. Thanks.